Hello and welcome to Oratio. Today we are looking at the NFTprofit.com scam that is going on at the moment. So these guys, NFT Profits Limited, also they call themselves. It's like a new blog on the scene, similar to all the scams that we've reviewed. They are promising you minimum 2.5% a day, up to like 4% a day for a lifetime, and that in itself raises a lot of red flags, so it's important to take note. And as usual, they are offering you 15% affiliate commission, which legitimate business will actually do this. Not to think of the fact that this is an investment fund that actually needs to be regulated. There is not much information as to who owns this particular business. They have tried their best to stay anonymous, and at this point in time there is not much information as to who created the website, whether it's registered. They are not regulated, obviously, and they are saying they are at this particular address, but you and I know that it's often not the case. They are putting up these things there to entice you to register. The key things they use is to promise you high return rates and then eventually get you involved into their business, and then they run away with your money. So those are some of the things, but let's look at the terms over here. They said it's not available to the general public, but obviously they're advertising to the general public. But if you look at the terms, it is crafted similar to other hypes or scams that we've reviewed in the past. So this is no surprise at all. And everything here, if you go onto their website and go to the terms and conditions, it's basically they do not accept any liability whatsoever. The plan here is to get as much money as possible and disappear. If you follow these hypes and stats for a while, as we have been reviewing a lot of them on Oratio, you realize that the rules over there is designed to protect them in case there's an issue. However, they take extra steps to hide their identity behind the scene. One thing you should know is that no business in this world is going to give you 4% in a day. I mean, let's forget about the fact that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies or some stocks have had huge rallies in the past, but these rallies are the exceptions, they are not the norms. And in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, if you want to get those amount of returns, then it's better you buy and hold your Bitcoin yourself. However, if you go in and put your money or invest with some of these guys, what's going to happen is that a day will come, you go onto the website and it cannot be found. It is there that you realize that you've been duped. Then again, there are people whose entire job is to invest in some of these things. So if you are one of those, I would like to advise you that stuff like this, they end up hurting everybody else. Someone out there who has no idea what this is about is actually going to get hurt. So your earnings or whatever you get from these guys is not worth it. And I would plead with you guys to avoid sites like this that goes in the long run to hurt your fellow human. It's not worth it. After all, how much are you going to make? They'll begin to pay you a while, then they disappear. Okay, so those who know about this get in early in the hopes of getting out, but eventually people get hurt. People get hurt. Do not fall for this. 4% a day, virtually impossible. Don't fall for anything. They are not super traders. Whatever they tell you is a lie. The whole system is designed to steal from you. Okay, stay safe out there and subscribe to this channel. When you find more of these scams, we'll be reviewing them in the future. Welcome to Oratio. Cheers.